यारो कर चले हम तुम्हें अलविदा। साथ कल थे तेरे, होंगे हम अब जुदा। यारो कर चले हम तुम्हें अलविदा। साथ कल थे तेरे, होंगे हम अब जुदा। क्यों है रुआ सा ये पल, ऐ वक्त तू बता। क्या साथ ये छूटेगा, क्या होंगे हम गुमशुदा। मिलके बिछड़ना क्यों किस्मत में लिखा। यारा जान हो तुम मेरी, करता हूँ शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया। ना 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 पल, याद थी मुश्किलों की राहें। यारों का साथ होता था, या संग होती निगाहें। खुशियों के थे पल, याद थी मुश्किलों की राहें। यारों का साथ होता था, या संग होती निगाहें। जीत में अपनी सबसे मिलती थी ताली, हार में अपनी सबसे पड़ती थी गाली। क्यों है रुआ सा ये पल, ऐ वक्त तू बता। क्या साथ ये छूटेगा, क्या होंगे हम गुमशुदा। मिलके बिछड़ना क्यों किस्मत में लिखा। यारा जान हो तुम मेरी, करता हूँ शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया। ना 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 ना।
Dear third years, it was wonderful to have you all with us. Wishing you the very best in all your future endeavors. Keep in touch. Lots of love, Mukul Man.
Hello students of third year. I know that from the day one, when a student joins the college, he or she is looking forward to the third year and the farewell that is given to them. But in these times, we are sorry that we were not able to hold a proper farewell, and that is why I would like to send my heartfelt wishes and feel that you should and think that you should be very you should not feel this loss. We are with you for whatever times, and you are going out into the world from now onwards, and you have to see that things are good for you. I hope everybody is being able to keep safe, and all the best for your exams and your life in future.
Dear students, I had the privilege of teaching you for more than 4 semesters. I know you will be leaving the college next month, but you will always remain an inseparable part of English department. Sorry we could not organize your farewell. Best wishes for your future endeavors. Thank you.
Hi everybody, this is not a goodbye message, it's just a farewell message to wish you all the very best for your future. We are always going to be here for you as a department, and you are going out into the world as ambassadors of our department. Here is wishing you all the very best.
Hi students, I hope all of you are in good health. So I am here recording a farewell message for you. But at this very instant, I fall short of words. I don't know what and how to say to inspire you, to fill you up with hope. These are the challenging times, but like everything else, this too shall pass and life will go on. And as you move on in your lives, I have a message for you. Do not let anybody define success and happiness for you. You have your own definition of success and your own definition of happiness. Pursue it and pursue it wholeheartedly. Success does not always mean having a perfect score on your report card. So don't stress out. Take it easy. Everything will be fine. Be hopeful. Do not let the light, that hope, flicker. That's my message for you. All the best for your future.
What to say actually. And these are one of the toughest times that our generation has seen. I sincerely hope that if there is anything that literature has taught you, it is to value kindness and happiness over these hard and fast parameters of success and intelligence. Do not forget to celebrate the smallest of your accomplishments. They matter, more so in times like these. I wish you all the very best for your future. Bye.
Hello students, you're leaving us in the midst of a pandemic, and all that we can do is to send you good wishes and virtual blessings. My only message is that cherish the good memories of college life and leave behind the bad ones. Do good in life to yourself and to others. All the best.